So I have a 2024 Bronco Outer Banks. As you can see, these screws are way too long for the Bronco, and I'm using a spacer here. I'll show you here in a second. Thankfully, these spacers kind of came with the in the box. I'm thinking about maybe they know that they are just too long for the Bronco, and they're just throwing them in there just in case. But I don't know. They're super long. I'm using that spacer because if otherwise the screw will make contact down there somewhere, and as you can see, it's not a perfect fit. I'm just trying to screw it. It's just bad. It's not for the Bronco. Maybe for the Jeep. It's not Bronco.